You want to come out? You big ogre. Huh? You want to come out? Oh, let's go take him outdoors to use the bathroom. It's way too hot out, way too humid for him. Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. There's my mama. Here's my mama. Yeah, so many people think we're forcing our snakes to be close to us. If that were the case, they wouldn't come to us by choice, which they do. I just want to show everybody how big Chewy is. This guy's weird. He doesn't eat a lot in the winter, but he puts on most of his weight in the winter time, which is really ironic. Hang on, let me turn the camera a little bit. Make sure I get you. There he goes. You want to come out? Come on. You know how it's done. He'll sit in this plastic tote with me all day on my day bed with the lid off. So I have to coax him to come out. Because he's used to sitting in there when he wants to. Here. Let me put this down. No, don't go get on my shelves and knock everything down. Oh. And don't use the bathroom on my bed or I'll have issues with you. There. There we go. If you gotta go, I'll just stuff your tail into the plastic tote so you won't go on the bed. How's that? He's a workout, this one. Pick your tail back up. There. Somebody's looking for a woman. I can tell by all the tail twitching that's going on, but he's a huge male coastal carpet python. A real weightlifter. I don't need a gym pass to work out. All I need to do is take this fella out. Here, let's go up here. Watch TV for a while. I love my big constrictors. They're smart enough to conserve their energy instead of wasting it striking at everything. So yeah, that's what I love the most about the big snakes is they're not dumb. They don't go striking crazy like young snakes do. And they've learned to trust you, so they're not as defensive. Here, he's all excited. Yeah, I know you want to go out, but it's too hot for you out there today. Yeah. Slow down. No women in here for you. No women yet. Jasmine's still young, but she's getting there. Won't be long. A couple more years, you'll have a girlfriend again. I promise. You're cutting all my circulation off in my foot. Okay. This is my favorite thing to do. Spend time with my snakes. Are you done? Could you give me a few minutes to take a breather here? I just had you in the plastic tote, was going to take you outdoors, drag your tote and you outdoors, and realize it's way too humid and way too warm for you out there right now. So maybe later today we'll go out. Will that work for you? Alright, wiggle worm. Maybe go out later. You're a pain in the butt. You're huffing. That's how warm it is. He's huffing already. Okay. Here, wrap around my foot and hold yourself up there for a while. There you go. He's a big boy. I just cleaned his enclosure and gave him fresh water. He touched urate this morning, so I figured he was due to go out and excrete feces, but it's just too hot, so I guess I'll have to clean his cage again today before it's over with. You can tell when they start pacing, one or two things is going on. They're either looking for a meal, or they want to come out and interact with people. And my snakes let me know. And they'll let you know if they have to excrete waste. Just watch them. They'll start pacing, going back and forth and back and forth. That's how you can tell when they have to use the bathroom. They might not talk to you, but if you pay attention to them and observe them constantly, you can learn to understand everything they're doing, the way they're reacting to everything around them. So they're as open as a book is. You just got to pay attention and watch them to learn it. So we might not speak English, but we tell you what we want and what we need. huffing in my ear. Oh, you're just huffing away, aren't you? That's a lot of weight on my lap. Slow down for a few minutes. You won't be huffing so bad. Slow down. Yeah, slow down a little bit. Yeah, me stop moving. You gotta be kidding. Would I do that? No, we're not knocking stuff off the shelves today. No, we're not. We're not knocking everything off the shelves today. So get that up. Now, he's my best friend. Chewy's my soulmate. I swear he is. I think he and I have a better understanding than I've ever had with any other snake. I mean, I'm close to them all and I understand them. I can read their body language, but my relationship with him goes a lot deeper than that. Much deeper. You're huffing. You're warm, aren't you? No bird hunting right now. It's too hot out, pal. You can't go out in that heat. No, you can't. Not good for you to be out in 85, 90 degree weather with 90% humidity. You can't do that. We don't need respiratory infection issues. Huff, huff. Huff, huff, huff. Huff, huff, huff. His reverse gearing cracks me up. What are you doing? Where are you going? You can't go after my vanilla creamer anymore, and I put my coffee in a insulated thermos so you can't get your tongue in it. Yeah. Do you realize the knot you've got me tied in? I don't even know if I can get out. Wait, you just stole my shoe. Hold on. I'm being constricted. Oh my gosh. You got my shoe, Chewy. Good grief. That goofball. You're a goof. No, you can't go there. The kitties are out. Not as much as you're moving around, I'm sure they'll be chasing after you. I got one shoe on and one shoe off, thanks to you. Yeah, I guess I'll take the other one off, huh? Save you the trouble. I'm gonna put you back in your house a little bit. Let you cool down some. No, you're not going over there. You stop. You actually slow down for a minute. Let's see if I can spread you out so people can see how big you are. There's no end to him. There. Now maybe you can see how big he is, about. At least you can see part of him in the camera. There. All my years in nursing and dancing on stage really paid off when it came to taking care of big constrictor snakes. I may be tall and thin, but I'm still strong as a bull. But I have limitations because of my spine damage. But they work with me instead of against me, so it's easier for me to do than a lot of people it would be for them to do, because my snakes are social and they work with me instead of against me. They aren't always retaliating or trying to flee, or, you know, they're just a whole different kind of animal. They're just very friendly and social and trusting and heavy. Oh my gosh. You're so big. You're killing me. Don't break my wrist. I need it. I need it to hold you. Don't crush my wrist. And you probably could very easily. There we go. There. Yeah, he's definitely a big male coastal. I've had people ask me, I got him from BHB Reptiles when he was a baby. Doink. Huff. You're huffing. Slow down. You quit huffing so much. You're a goofball. This is what you want to raise him up to be like. Big and strong and healthy and muscular instead of fat and lazy. And he's definitely not fat and lazy. Oh, you're huffing real loud. We're going to put you back in the tote and put you back in your house at night.